Picture this, a rich, dark shot of espresso pouring down like liquid velvet over a luscious scoop of salted caramel ice cream. As the hot coffee kisses the cold ice cream, pure magic happens. The ice cream begins to melt, swirling into a creamy, dreamy concoction that's utterly irresistible. This isn't just any affogato. It's a vibrant flavor explosion that takes your taste buds on a thrilling journey. Now, let's enhance it with toppings. A sprinkle of crunchy, toasted nuts adds a delightful texture, while a glossy drizzle of rich chocolate sauce infuses sweetness. It's the ultimate finishing touch that elevates this dessert to extraordinary heights. This twist on a beloved classic is not only simple to whip up, but also sure to impress any crowd. Imagine serving this stunning treat at your next gathering. Your guests will be in awe. So why hesitate? Grab your espresso machine and that enticing salted caramel ice cream. Prepare to craft a dessert that's both comforting and exhilarating. Once you've created this masterpiece, don't forget to share your delicious results. And if you enjoyed this twist, there's a world of flavors waiting for you. Keep diving into new taste adventures. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3coffee lover.